Introducing the all-new AORUS 17 gaming laptop, GIGABYTE's top-of-the-line mobile gaming powerhouse. The AORUS 17 has gotten a full upgrade this time around, giving you more than enough firepower for today's most demanding titles. On the memory side of things, the AORUS 17 tops the list with 32 GB of DDR5 4800 MHz RAM in dual channel, providing plenty of memory for multitasking. Let's first take a look at 3D Mark Time Spy and see how the AORUS 17 performs. The new AORUS 17 flexes its muscles in this one, outperforming the previous generation by up to 12% thanks to the 12th gen Intel CPU and the RTX 3080 Ti combo. Note that even the RTX 3070 Ti model can beat the last gen's RTX 3081. Next, let's check out how well these beasts actually perform with a number of AAA titles. We'll be running these games in full screen mode, full HD at Ultra preset under the performance mode. As you can see from the in-game performance, the RTX 3060 is able to deliver silky smooth gameplay above 60 FPS without any hiccups. Should you want to go for a full-blown maxed out gaming experience, go with the RTX 3080 Ti as it will deliver up to a 20% performance bump on average. Overall, gameplay on the AORUS 17 is very impressive as you will be getting excellent frame rates with even some of the most demanding titles on the market today. Pairing this level of performance with the 17-inch 360Hz gaming panel wrapped around by super thin bezels, you're looking at the most immersive yet responsive gaming experience unheard of in gaming laptops. What are your thoughts on our latest AORUS gaming laptops? Is there any other performance benchmarks you want to know more about? Feel free to let us know in the comments. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.